So if you guys don't know, my birthday is August 15th, and that's 5 days. And I ordered something in the mail. Now, it's very special. It is a surprise. What I ordered in the mail, I ordered 2 things in the mail, but they're a surprise. I already got, did I show you? No. It's my Deadshot Daiquiri necklace I ordered in the mail for my birthday present, early birthday present. How cool this is. It's a little perk necklace, perk bottle. You guys can't really see it because it won't focus, but it's a little perk bottle. So yeah, I got that little perk bottle for me, but I don't know. These are pretty cool. Deadshot Daiquiri is my favorite perk, but I'm just telling you guys. And I pretty much missed my upload streak a little bit, just by a day, but that's okay because I'm editing stuff and it's taking me long. So yeah, see you guys next time, and I'm just telling you why. So peace, and